Hello, my name is Anthony John Rigney. I am the broker with Quorum Business Advisors, and today we're going to discuss our featured listing, an auto repair and body shop in North Florida. This auto repair and body shop includes real estate for sale. What you get. This business has been in business since 1982. It includes over a half acre of land with 2 buildings, a 5-bay auto repair shop, 2-bay body shop, a paint booth. Experienced staff are in place and the seller will assist with transition. This business currently primarily targets repair and body work for the following brands: German vehicles BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, as well as Infiniti, Jaguar, Lexus, Maserati, Honda, Nissan and more. Three key things to know. This business is priced at $1,200,000. Cash flow in 2019 was $354,903. And the seller is requesting a down payment of 40%. Seller financing. With 40% down, the seller is prepared to generously finance 60% of the purchase price. This equals $720,000. The seller will finance at prime rate, which currently, as of today, September the 22nd, 2020, is at 3.25%. The offered loan term is 20 years, and this would give you a payment of $4,083. What are your next steps? You can contact us. Call us today at 904-725-7677. Email me at arigney@904broker.com or visit us at www.qbusinessadvisors.com. We look forward to hearing from you.